It's coming.
Not a fan. Not a fan. What do you want to do? Reenact the Titanic? God damn it!
We're fishing over here, and there's some guys over there. What did you call them a few seconds ago? Something with an F.
Faggots?
Oh, hey, we can't say that on YouTube. That's not nice.
Oh, I didn't realize you. I'm sorry.
Oh.
You know what? That is not a good word. All right, like the NBA commercials. You know. You don't tolerate that lingo here.
Yep.
All right. Unaccepted.
Yep. Sorry. So there's the fags. Oh, I'm sorry. There's the gentleman over there. Found a bobber. Got a bobber.
And I mean that.
We'll throw a bobber at him, guys. Don't worry. Yeah. And we got leaves and.
Uh-oh. Tackle box overboard.
Oh.
If that would have opened, that made you. I'm getting alive, dude.
Yeah, bugs don't bother me. They don't like alcoholics.
Because you have long pants on, dickweed.
Plus, they don't like alcoholics. All right, well, let's go boating for a little bit, guys. I'm gonna try and keep up here with German, see if he wheels anything in.
Oh, got a big one. Oh, you see it bouncing? Oh, that's a baby goldfish.
A baby goldfish.
Baby goldfish.
Baby goldfish.
Stay happy.
All right, well, let's get this boat on the water, so to speak. My ass is killing me. Oh.
What?
I wonder if these float.
Don't try to eat it. Let's go, ready? Up, yo. Back up.
Up.
What?
Uh-oh. Bro, hold on a second.
Go push. Go. Ready? Same time. 1, 2.
I only got one arm, because the other arm's got the camera.
Thank you, guys. That's right, you guys.
They were looking. Alright, that's it. Well, my bus trying to get those guys to look at us. We're gonna...
They can't get us.
That'd be funny. They beat us over by Mr. H. Alright, guys, I gotta go to Orr. Got Germs Nation. Bye!
Peace.
Got ducks. Mom and baby. She's getting a drink. Say hi to duckies. Whoa, close up of German's ear. I fucking hate that. Well, we got a lot more water now. Damn, brother.
Yeah, I think it's time to go back. I don't like that.
Where'd the duckies go?
Even if it is a little bit, and I know it won't sink with that little bit, I don't like it.
Here they are.
Plus, he probably doesn't use his boat to sit and chill as much as we've been sitting and chilling.
Yeah, he just uses it to go out to his boat.
Yeah.
Well, we haven't caught anything. We got a tackle box here, and I don't have my fishing license, but German does, so he's fishing, not me. Pack her up. It's a nice day, some nice boats. My buddy doesn't have his boat out here, but the wind is pushing us that way. If anybody can tell me what these signs mean. This sign, 4, and a triangle. Then you got these, which I can't even see. Those kids are looking at us like we're fucking crazy. That's green right there. Yep. If anybody knows what those signs are, let us know. Anyways.
I'm catching me a shark.
He's got to catch him a shark. I'm going to catch him some fish, and we're out of here. Alright guys, see you later.
Bye.